Hello and welcome to day 38 of my 365-day programming journey. Today I continued working on the website a little bit. So it was mostly just front-end work. We have a nice little title here. We have a nav bar that goes out to my YouTube channel as well as my Twitter account. And we have a new section down here for Python project files, but I've modified the layouts for both sections. It's no longer showing the versions because it's not really necessary at the moment. Maybe when I start pumping out more consistent updates, I will do that. But right now, these are pretty static. They're not going to be changing anytime soon, at least. But in the Python projects, we now have the code for the wallpaper scraper, the daily quotes, and the random Steam game. The wallpaper scraper should work out of the box, but the daily quotes and the random Steam game are going to require a little bit more setup. Daily quotes will require a web driver, and random Steam game requires a API key that you get from Steam, as well as your Steam ID that you get from the Steam URL. And down here I just added a nice little footer. So it looks pretty nice. I think it's starting to look more like a website. I'm very happy with how snappy and quick Linode is. It's very consistent, and I'm very happy with it so far. If you want to make fun of my poor HTML code, it's right here. I'm very not comfortable with how HTML is set up with all these tags and opening and closing brackets and stuff like that. It's very different from how I'm used to coding, but I'm getting the hang of it, I think. My style sheet's a little weird. I tried using Bootstrap, but I didn't understand it, so I kind of just reverted that. But I'm going to get more into that because I do want to kind of evolve the site into something more interesting and more fluid. My JavaScript's also a little bit clunky because we have a new section for Python scripts. I would eventually want to break this out into a JSON file, sort of have like my project files for the Unity plugin, and do this a little bit more, I guess, more functional, because right now it's literally just feeding in this these consts that are basically, it's just basically the copy and paste code with slightly different variations, and that's just not very efficient programming. So a little bit of bad practice on my part, but we're getting there. It's my first delve into web development, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. I did have a little bit of a headache trying to figure out the alignment thing, which apparently is a common issue with web development, but it's getting there. And I think that about wraps it up. Kind of a short, quick update video today, but that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.